3-inch by 34-inch garden auger bit. This is it assembled. It arrived in 2 pieces, this piece and this piece, inside of a box, and you have to assemble it. They've given you this bag to store it in, and they give you a 7mm and 5.5mm box end wrench that comes with it. You're going to use the 7mm. They give you an Allen wrench. They give you 4 of these Allen wrench screws and 4 nylon locking bolts, and you're only going to use 2 of them. So assembly is pretty simple. You just put the bolts through here, thread it on, use the Allen wrench and the box end and tighten it down, and you're good to go. On the end here, we've got a hole, little point, 3 inches right here. You can see it in comparison to a standard bulb planer. It's obviously about an inch larger than this one. It's completely made out of metal and it's welded. And we have a hex end on the end here, 3/8 inch hex end. I'm going to use this with a Black & Decker 7-amp drill that has a 1/2 inch capacity chuck. Absolutely no problem at all getting it in here. And I'll show you how this thing works. One thing I'm not sure that I like about it, you know, everybody's going to use it for a different application. I'm going to try and drill through some hardpan in my yard and see, hopefully this is long enough. But when you assemble this and put it together, there's some play right here. There's definitely some play. So when it's spinning, it's obviously going to be wobbling a little bit. Now, if you're using this just to plant bulbs in the yard, not a problem. But if you need to like absolutely precision drill something, I don't think that's going to work. But we'll find out. Let's give it a test. I'm digging through clay right here and it's grabbing this bit. So you got to be gentle. We do a little bit at a time. Pretty decent hole. I mean, I've gone down about 24 inches, I'd say. If you're dealing with rocks or clay or anything like that, it might grab. You're going to want to take your time depending on what kind of drill you have. Be safe. Well, there you go, a 33-inch auger bit.